The quick-release coupling GN1050 quickly and securely connects components with a simple click-on and click-off action. No tools are required, enabling reduced setup times. A safety locking button protects the coupling from being accidentally opened. Pressing this button frees the sleeve to move axially, allowing for removal of the stud. At the same time, a red ring becomes visible on the outside to indicate the unlocked state. Quick-release couplings are frequently used with lighting, audio, theater and stage equipment for quick, easy, and tool-free setup and takedown of event equipment. The couplings are also suited to industrial applications, such as where two components must be connected quickly and without tools. The studs GN1050.1 can be obtained individually as accessories, allowing several studs to be used with one coupling in order to realize various positioning options depending on the task at hand. Both the couplings and the studs can be fastened with either an external or internal thread. The attachment options are further expanded by the flange GN1050.2, such as for use on aluminum profile systems or thin-walled equipment. The quick-release coupling is available in two different versions. Version F has a fixed bearing for precisely positioned attachment. Version L with a floating bearing permits a certain degree of tolerance between the fastening points. The coupling can also be secured with cylindrical pins or coiled spring pins to prevent rotation. The quick-release coupling comes standard in black anodized aluminum and has a locking mechanism of zinc-plated steel. The high-quality materials and surface finishes offer a certain degree of protection against corrosion and wear. Let's summarize the advantages. Tool-free, save time with frequent changes, high-quality materials, sleek design, high axial load capacity. The quick-release coupling GN1050, a connection that won't let go.